Hello, student. Welcome to Mr. Lee Technology Channel. For this lesson, you're going to try to create a Google site so that you can use for your Folio upload and also let your teacher to mark your project. To begin, you need to log in to the school email account in a Chrome browser and then look for these buttons here, the Google Apps button. Open it and look for this particular app. It's called Site. If you're unable to find it, probably that is below, so we just want to scroll down. Or once you found it, you can just long clicking it and start moving around. Let's open it. This is the Google Sites landing page. You may want to use some of the preset template, or we will just try the blank site for this time. This is the empty blank page for the Google site. As you are aware, on the top left here, this is the untitled site. There's no name. It asks you to enter the site name as well. And if you look at your Google Chrome browser, this is also showing that it's untitled. Let's give it a name. You may want to put your name. In this case, I put Granny. And that's it. If you want to make people recognize this is your site, you can also type in technology folio so that people understand this is the technology folio page for you. Once you press enter, you can see that now the title page are all changed as well as the Google site. The tab name are also changed now. On the landing page, this is the banner, and you may change the page title here. Let's change it into your year level. For this case, I will try year 7. Technology. If you would like to use one single line, just drag the text box slightly longer so that it will become one line. You can even bold the text and change the other style. Let's have a try to change other form text. I would prefer this. At the bottom here, you can see the Google site is blank. So how do we add in information and content? You can just simply double click and there's a little circular menu appear. You can type in or enter text, upload image, upload file or image or video, or insert it from Google Drive, or with some embedded link. In this case, we will just try the text first. When you click text, you appear another text box. You may just type information directly here. And usually for year 7 and year 8 technology, the first introduction will be all about yourself. Or I just put all about me here. And you may give teachers a little bit information about you, who you are, where you're from, what's your interest, where have you been visiting the last holiday, or some other personal interests like sports or hobby. As for now, that's all for the main page. Let's look at the function on the right-hand side here. Beside double-click to open the menu, The second option is to use the button here directly. Text box, image upload, embedded link, and from Google Drive. You may also use the content block here. For example, I will try this image with text. You can choose different type of content blocks to create different layout. This allows you to insert image, and this allows you to insert text. It will be useful when you want to have a procedure or record any production. So you can have the picture on one side and have the text to explain what is this picture about on the right hand side here. Let's have a look on the next major function, page. The pages allows you to add additional pages rather than have a super long Google Sites. Right now, we already have a home page. And if you look at the plus button at the bottom side here, move your mouse cursor over, you can see that allows you to insert new page, insert new link, or full page embedded, or new menu sections. For this case, we're going to try new page. Click the button, it opens a new page setup windows for you. For year 7, one of the summative project will be the water tower. Let's name it this time for water tower. When you're done, click done. As you can see, now on the page setup, we have a home page, we have a subpage, water tower. So from here, you can use this thing to organize the content in Folio Works rather than have everything squeezed into one single page. Let's go back to the water tower. Same thing as I mentioned just now. You can just double click to choose what content you want to insert here, or you can go back to insert and choose one of the content blocks if you would like to have a more fancy layout. You may also go to the theme and look at some of the visual style. Let's have a try for the vision. Oh, that's not bad. It's the timber theme. If you are done with all your folio inserts and setup, do remember you need to share this with your teacher. So on top of the menu here, you can see there's a little button, share with others. Click, and you may enter to the person that you would like to share. So here, if I enter another teacher's email address and I click done, and then the teacher can actually have a read about what is happening. And make sure that you give the edited right. Of course, for now, I'll just leave it blank. You do not have to publish your Google Sites unless you would like to do so to let other people to have a look. But for internal use, sharing with the teachers will be good enough. And that's all for the Google Site setup. If you have any question, you may ask your technology teacher for further assistance. Have a try and all the best for your project.